For calibrating the cardiac output, we need to press the CO button. Then we need to go to the ProAct button. You can see new calibration, ProAct button. Then we need to place the CO button in automatic. After the values have started coming and it is fixed, we need to press the Calibrate button. Calibrate button. So after this, we need to press on the tick mark. Then it is calibrated. The Pulsion Flex is a hemodynamic monitoring system designed for advanced hemodynamic management, often used in critical care and operating room settings. First key feature is modular design. The Pulsion Flex system is a modular, meaning additional monitoring capabilities can be added as needed, such as advanced cardiac output or tissue oxygenation monitoring. The second key feature is real-time hemodynamic monitoring. It continuously monitors cardiac outputs U and provide essential parameters like stroke volume SV, systemic vascular resisting SVR, and pulse pressure variation. Third key feature is PICO technology. When combined with PICO pulse counter cardiac output technology, it advanced hemodynamic parameters including extravascular lung water and global end diastolic volume. Visual decision support. The system provides user-friendly graphical representation of hemodynamic data, helping clinicians make quick and informed decisions. This is the ProAct sensor. So this type of two sensors will be used. In the packing, there is mentioning of the specifications and the data associated with this transducer. In the backside, you can see ProAct sensor. This is how we attach the transducers, matching the notch, then pressing accordingly. So one we use for atrial transducer for atrial and one for CVP. So depending on the use, we can shift the positions. After attaching, we need to do the zero calibration. For zero calibration, we need to go to the monitor, press 0. First, we'll be doing the arterial pressure. Arterial pressure will be 0. After the timer has gone, it is 0. For CVP also, we need to do the zeroing. So after touching, there will be timer. Now it is done. Press the tick mark and closing the three ways. Three-way cogs will be closed. After that, we can see both the waves on the screen. You can see arterial pressure and CVP. The waves are being displayed on the cardiac output monitor. Now we will see the advantages. This provides detailed, actionable hemodynamic information without requiring high invasive procedures. Second, helps guide fluid therapy and vasopressor use, facilitates personalized patient management by tailoring interventions based on real time data. Clinical applications. Clinical care units for managing patients with sepsis, ARDS, or severe cardiac conditions. Operating rooms during major surgeries requiring cross hemodynamic monitoring. Then, post operative care for patients needing fluid and hemodynamic optimization. Thus, the real time data given by the systems helps the anesthetists, doctors, and surgeons to take delicate decisions and provide better patient care.